Elon Musk has once again captured the world's attention. This time, it's not rockets or electric cars. He's looking to the stars themselves. He has made a striking claim. Betelgeuse, one of the largest and most enigmatic stars visible from Earth, could explode in a supernova in as little as 2 weeks. According to Musk, the effects might even reach closer to home than most scientists are willing to admit, potentially impacting parts of the northeastern United States. It sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, but is there any truth to Musk's prediction, or is this another bold statement designed to spark debate? Betelgeuse, sometimes mispronounced as Betelgeuse, is no ordinary star. Located in the shoulder of Orion, this red supergiant is approximately 700 times larger than our Sun. To the naked eye, it glows faintly red, a subtle but unmistakable presence in the night sky. For centuries, humans have gazed at it in awe, largely unaware that it is a ticking time bomb on a cosmic scale. Unlike our steady sun, Betelgeuse burns through its fuel rapidly, living fast and dying young. Astronomers have long known it is in the final stages of its life. When massive stars like Betelgeuse reach the end, they collapse under their own immense gravity, triggering a supernova explosion so bright it can outshine entire galaxies. When it finally dies, its light could rival the moon's glow, potentially visible even during daylight. Betelgeuse has already stunned scientists before. The Great Dimming event of late 2019 and early 2020 shocked astronomers worldwide. The star's brightness dropped so dramatically that casual stargazers noticed it. Was this the beginning of the end? Speculation ran rampant. Some believed the dimming signaled an imminent explosion. Others suggested it was caused by massive clouds of dust ejected from the unstable star. Eventually, Betelgeuse brightened again, but the mystery persisted. Could this have been a preview of its final act? Now, Musk has issued a countdown. He claims the star could explode in as little as 2 weeks. If true, this would turn one of astronomy's biggest questions, when will Betelgeuse die, into a countdown event for all of humanity. He even warns that the explosion could have direct effects on Earth, particularly in New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. Powerful gamma rays and cosmic radiation might disrupt satellites, black out power grids, and even pose health risks. Not everyone agrees. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has also weighed in, acknowledging that the star's explosion is inevitable but not necessarily imminent. Unlike Musk, Kaku emphasizes that Earth is approximately 640 light-years away, far enough to avoid serious harm. Even though a supernova is one of the most violent events in the universe, most astrophysicists agree the radiation will weaken dramatically before reaching us. The most likely consequences would be temporary disruptions to satellites, communication systems, and other technological infrastructure. Yet Musk's warning has fueled curiosity. Could he have access to new data from advanced telescopes or private research indicating a faster timeline? What would a supernova like this mean for humanity if it occurred in our lifetimes? The spectacle would be unforgettable. For weeks, maybe months, Betelgeuse could dominate the night sky, shining brighter than Venus, or even the full moon. Humanity would be witnessing a cosmic death millions of years in the making. The scientific opportunities would be extraordinary. Astronomers would collect unprecedented data, revealing insights not only about Betelgeuse itself but also about the creation of heavy elements, the building blocks of planets, and even life itself. Alongside the wonder comes uncertainty. Cosmic rays and gamma radiation, though weakened by distance, could interfere with satellites, GPS systems, and power grids. Airline crews and astronauts might experience slightly elevated radiation exposure. While not catastrophic, the reality is that no one, not even the world's greatest astronomers, can predict exactly when Betelgeuse will explode. It could be tomorrow, a sudden blaze shocking the world, or it could be 100,000 years from now, long after humanity has left Earth behind. Predicting the death of a star is like listening to the final notes of a symphony without knowing exactly when the music will stop. And yet, Betelgeuse has captured our collective attention. It is no longer just a star in Orion's shoulder. It has become a cosmic clock, ticking silently above our heads. Musk's 2-week countdown may or may not prove accurate, but it forces us to confront the immense forces shaping the universe. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, the night sky will never look the same. Imagine stepping outside one evening to see a new light, brighter than Venus, glowing beside the moon. Imagine that light visible even at midday, a reminder that a star has died. For weeks or months, the world would share the same view, a spectacle so humbling it could unite billions of people in awe. Yet this won't be merely a visual show. It is a lesson written in light. Supernovae forge heavy elements, iron, gold, silver, oxygen, the very materials that make up our planet, oceans, and bodies. Without ancient supernovae, Earth itself would not exist. The atoms in our bodies were born in the hearts of stars like Betelgeuse billions of years ago. Its death will echo the same story of creation. Will the event be dangerous or wondrous? Musk warns of potential disruptions to satellites, power grids, and human health. Most scientists, however, maintain that the distance, 640 light-years, protects Earth from catastrophic effects. Subtle disruptions are possible, but civilization itself will survive. Whether Musk's warning proves prophetic or exaggerated, it reminds us of our place in the cosmos. Even as we build rockets, satellites, and sprawling cities, the universe can still surprise us in ways we cannot fully control or predict. Betelgeuse's story is also a tale of cosmic cycles. When the star explodes, it will release shockwaves and radiation across interstellar space. These supernova remnants will eventually seed nearby nebulae with the building blocks for new stars, planets, and perhaps life. In a very real sense, Betelgeuse's death will sow the seeds of future creation, a stellar reminder of the eternal cycle of life and death in the universe. So here we stand, waiting. Perhaps nothing happens in 2 weeks. Perhaps Musk's countdown fades like so many predictions before it. Or perhaps, humanity is on the brink of witnessing one of the rarest and most spectacular events in history. When Betelgeuse explodes, the entire world will look to the sky in unison. News broadcasts, live streams, and telescopes across the globe will focus on a single point of light. Beyond the science, beyond the data, it will be a shared human moment, a reminder that we are small, fragile, and yet inextricably connected to the universe that gave us life. When the night sky finally erupts with the fire of a dying star, it will not just be an astronomical event. It will be a cosmic story written in light, a tale of creation and destruction, and a reminder that from the death of stars comes the building blocks of life itself. From the ashes of the cosmos, new worlds, and perhaps new civilizations, will one day rise. Musk's prediction may or may not come to pass, but Betelgeuse has already accomplished something remarkable. It has made all of humanity pause, look up, and remember just how vast, powerful, and awe-inspiring the universe truly is. And beyond the spectacle, beyond the fleeting light, lies the deeper truth. The universe does not adhere to human schedules. It is patient, vast, and indifferent, yet profoundly creative. One star dying can echo across millions of light years, reminding us of our cosmic heritage. When we gaze at the red glow of Betelgeuse tonight, we are not just looking at a star. We are witnessing a story that began billions of years ago and will continue long after we are gone. It is a story of fire, destruction, creation, and the eternal rhythm of the cosmos, written in a language older than humanity itself.